Hello, this is Sandra. Welcome to this Illustrator tutorial. Today you will learn about how to round just one corner of a rectangle using Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing that you're going to do is going to be to create a rectangle. Start by selecting the rectangle tool and drag a rectangle of your desired size on the artboard. Then we will select this rectangle. Next, you're going to use the direct selection tool. You can select the corner anchor point you want to round. Next, you can just apply the effect. You can just move it up and down so you can have your corners rounded. You can just adjust the corner radius and then you can just finalize and save. That's it. Congratulations! You have learned how to quickly round a single corner of our Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and for more Illustrator tips or tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy creating!